Fine.
The power of that volcano and the shock wave that you saw emanating from the center on satellite is absolutely incredible. Beautiful day here. We started out the morning chilly. We'll have another cold morning. A lot of sunshine, but high temperatures stayed below average, only in the 50s. 57 is our current temperature. Northwesterly winds, fairly light. Had a breeze yesterday, and the winds have settled down today. They will stay on the calmer side overnight tonight, which will likely allow us to get a little bit colder on the North Shore by early tomorrow morning, but probably south of the lake, maybe a couple of degrees warmer. Our morning low was 37. Today's high 57 degrees, so we did stay below average. But notice nobody at freezing on the North Shore. We actually were right below freezing at Morgan City. The reason why the strong winds kind of prevented us from getting as cold, and notice there wasn't as much of a temperature swing on either side of the lake. The stronger winds prevent us from those temperatures just bottoming out. Plus, it usually helps to keep or prevent that lake effect where you get the warmer conditions right along the lakefront, which is why the airport was at 37. With lighter winds overnight tonight, the lake will have a little bit more of an effect on the metro area temperatures, but not as much on the North Shore. So we'll probably be a couple of degrees colder north and then maybe a few degrees warmer south. On satellite, we are under sunny skies and we have not had a cloud in sight all day today. Gorgeous afternoon, but if you were in the shade, it was on the chilly side with temperatures in the 50s right now and winds, as I said, lighter than they were yesterday, and they will stay on the light side through the overnight. So a gradual warming trend on the way through Wednesday. We'll have highs back into the low, maybe some mid 70s. Then another cold front moves through, and with that front, temperatures plummeting and will stay cold through the weekend, while at the same time we're going to introduce a chance for some rain. Right now it's looking like a cold rain. We'll kind of break that down for you in just a moment. Here's the upper trough that brought in that cold air. That is beginning to lift to the north, so a warming trend is on the way. But we're also watching, as we need to, the cold temperatures from the Arctic as they try and make their way south, and there will be more of these trends of the cold air moving south. So it looks like in the extended forecast we are looking at colder than average temperatures to continue through the next 6 to 10 days. So we will likely see us staying below average. Yeah, at times you have these little increases briefly, like Wednesday, and then the temperatures come right back down for the end of the week. So on satellite right now, high pressure has moved in. Beautiful night on the way, but on the chilly side. Then as the high starts to shift toward the east, we will see a little bit of a warm up tomorrow, still mild, and then warmer on Wednesday ahead of our next front. May see an isolated shower Wednesday. The better rain chance is going to be Thursday associated with the front and that colder air moving in. So now here's the breakdown of the cold air and our rain chances. Now what you need for snow or any type of wintry weather is not just near or below freezing temperatures at the surface. You need a deep layer of cold air, and that looks like it's going to stay well to our north. So there goes the front on Thursday. Overrunning rainfall is just a cold rain because the core of the cold is still to our north. As it moves farther south, any moisture is gone. Here's another chance for maybe some wintry weather early on Saturday. Moisture moving in, the deep cold air is still to our north. Does it ever overlap? No, it doesn't. The coldest of the air stays to our north, so what we are likely to see is just a cold rain that will take us through the weekend and then finally starting to subside as we get toward late Saturday and Sunday. So here's kind of the setup. We're going to have a brief warming trend through Wednesday. Then the front moves through and a cold rain, especially early on Thursday, that I think will dry out. Another chance for rain, kind of overrunning rain on top of the cold air, but it's just going to be a cold rain. Then another chance overnight Friday into the Saturday. Notice temperatures will be near freezing, so we're not going to see ice forming. If we saw anything, it may be a few little pellets here and there of ice. That would be about it before we start to moderate our temperatures by early next week.